About 80% of the women may have some sort of symptoms during perimenopause and menopause. The type of the symptoms and the severity may vary from woman to woman. Common menopausal symptoms are hot flushes and night sweats, change in mood, anxiety, disturbed sleep, lot of fatigue, joint pains, forgetfulness or brain fog, vaginal dryness, symptoms related to the bladder, loss of libido. There are some symptoms which are not so common but equally distressing. For example, itchy crawly skin, burning tingling tongue, or tinnitus. At Marion Gluck Clinic, women have the opportunity to discuss their symptom in detail and arrange appropriate testing. We can then offer personalized BHRT treatment plan and regular follow-ups. This can have a significant improvement on your symptoms and the quality of life.